Okay. Hmm. Now we are discussing on charts. So last session we saw about the basics chart. Okay. So these basic charts we know, but we discussed last session. Now we go a bit dynamics. That's our main focus in the advanced Excel. Okay. So here basically dynamic charts means what? Dynamic chart means so not within the selected data. From the data, we need to get the chart for if without changing the data or without pasting separately. For the existing data, we need to do the chart for last X number of lines or start X number of lines or between the lines. So how to do that? For those lines, how would we need to do the chart. Example, so last few days or few months, few years data. Normally what we do, suppose if I want to chart for this 3 lines or 3 dates or 3 months, we need to copy paste and separately we need to do that. Okay. Suppose I need to start number of lines. I need to make the chart. That also copy paste separately, or can not copy paste separately, just select manually. Anytime you need to change the range. Okay. Then otherwise, middle few lines, I need to change the get the data. Or one more thing I forgot to write here. So suppose a number of lines, the progressive way I need to do the chart. When I say move the like a scroll bar like this, when we move that, for the moving data we need to have the chart like that. So we'll discuss we need to learn the other concept, then we need to do that. Means this we have the this thing scroll bar like this. Okay, not this. Where is that? This one. See, we need we have the scroll bar. When we move this, okay, horizontal vertical, when you move, automatically my data should get changed. For the changing, I need to get the data, sorry, chart. So that also we'll see that, okay. So moving data chart, okay, that also we'll see, okay. So these are the advanced complex charts we need to learn. So maybe today, tomorrow, next week also maybe it will take. Okay, so be ready for that. Now quickly I need to get the data. So we'll see one by one. So very interesting. So this is a requirement we have in our workplace. So this association people do manually copy paste and make copy paste, keeping the data separately, and we need to do that. Example for this, so I need to say 2000. I am making this from the data itself, stats from data. So e-date I can put. So starting month, okay. So from the January 2022, so till August I have the data. So no, I don't want. I can say 2020 otherwise. Okay, so we can get the more numbers. So 2020, 12 months, again August. Okay, so I can take from the January 2022 till now. What is the data? So I have the thing here. run between. So from the beginning, I'm doing this so you can understand the data also. Okay. So this is like issues and resolved also run between. So you can say from 1 to say this all the result. Then obviously pending. Okay. So this all the data. So you understood, right? So every month the data I have. So from the January to almost like 1 year 8 months data we have. Okay. But we don't need like entire maybe 2 years 3 years data, though it is there, but I don't want chart for the entire data. So I need only chart for say for last 6 months or 3 months like that. Okay. Suppose I need to chart for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from March I need to get the chart here. Okay. Now if this is the scenario, how do you do that? Normally, how do you do that in the practical scenario now at this point of time?
We drag down the link.
Kanta, I'm not able to hear you. So, okay, Danny, how do you do? Suppose if this is the situation.
So we'll basically select the columns that we need and insert a chart manually.
Yeah,
doing
exactly.
it manually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like this, right? Now,
Yes, sir.
what are the months we need to do chart for this insert chart, and we need to do the chart for this like this. Okay, this is the last 3 months chart. Now your boss will ask, no, not 6 months. I need 3 months. What you need to do again? This we need to manipulate the data, right? Now we don't want to do that. So suppose I can see number of months. Okay, I'll keep the number of months here. So what are the number of months? For that I need to give the chart. Suppose I select number of months 6. Okay, 6 months data I need to chart. I need to get the chart. Okay, so this is the outside somewhere you can give the number. So for this we need to give the chart. This is the setup. First we need to do that. Suppose I need to 3 months. Okay, so last 3 months select and get the data, right? This is the the plan we need to do. Correct? Understood, right? This last,
Yes, sir.
based on the number, last 3 months or 6 months, like that. Even starting also, suppose my data will be latest data here, old data is down. That time what did you do? So first 3 months, 6 months like that. Now, we need to, this is the requirement. So from the starting, okay, last 3 months range, how can you select the data? That's the first thing. Okay, so select the data. Data. So how can you select the data? Which formula I can use to select the data?
Address.
Address, okay. Yes, good.
Offset.
Exactly. Yes. Say, any other formula you do think? Dynamically, only these two formulas, especially for the selecting range, address and offset. Only those two formulas, no other formula is correct. Okay. So I advise take offset formula only. That's the best formula to select it. Now, so after selecting, how can you select the data? Formula is okay. Where you can put this? This can put in the in the name range. Name range. So this formula you can put name range. Then we need to insert chart. Then this name range connect give the name range in the source data source in the chart. That's all. It will become dynamic. Okay. Let us see one by one. Now, so we need to build the offset formula. Okay. Offset. See, my starting point is this. I will not change. Okay. So please remember always this formula you can keep in the name range. So always all the references will be fixed. No compromise. All row column to be fixed. Okay. Now row movement. So row movement, what I need to do?
We'll put just comma, sir.
No. See, start point is this, but selection is selection from here. Correct.
Okay.
So automatically from start point to destination. Destination is this, no? From start to destination.
Okay.
Movement should be required, right? Correct.
Yeah.
So manually you need to check like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. So for 6 months, 15. Then column movement, nothing. Because same column, we need to do that. Okay. See, the name ranges, you need to go one by one, not like all together. So this date alone you should select first. Then what is the height? Height, we need to select this. This is the height. Fix it. Width, only one column. Please understand this, what I have done. So see, this C2 is the start point here. Data started. Now rows, we can do the dynamic, we'll see the later, but I counted 15. From here, 15 rows I need to go down. This is destination. Then column movement nothing, because this same column data I need to take, so blank. Then height is this. This is a reason this is dynamic. How many rows? 6 rows, 3 rows, or like that. Okay. Then only one column width. Right? Clear this now? Now.
So for every column, we have to make a different name range, is it, sir?
Exactly. Yes. For the chart,
okay.
Every column, how many columns are there? We need. But one column, if you do, other columns very easy. Just name.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now.
Okay.
Now see here. With this, we will go and select like this. I need to see here 6. 6 means from March, it will say select like this. Let us test what is, how do we do that? So copy this after giving the formula, copy, go to the name formulas, name manager. So I need to move this where. How can I move? 1 second. Go to the name manager, go to new. You can say like, date header. This is names very important because like, we need to link to chart, no? So H you can put header, okay? Or date column, whatever. See here, now pasted. Okay. Now, when you click here, see the selection here, you can see. Correct, na?
Of the mind.
Yes, sir.
Now, so after this, very, very easy, right? Now, so I'll go here and see here. Now, suppose I need, say, now selected this file, okay? Now understood. Now, I need to select this. To select this, what is the change I need to do in the formula? Tell me.
Just change C to D, sir.
No. This remains same, formula remains same. This one place we need to say some additions, that's all. Think the formula. It's okay. The start point. Okay. This row moment. This is a column moment, right? So one column should move, that's all. So
Yeah.
from there to here, from here to here, then remaining same. Then 2 means this, 3 means this, that's all. Okay, easy. Now for that, what you can do here, go to the formula, go to the name manager, copy this. Okay, so go to new here, then issues. Okay, so here paste the formula, right? So in the after this column, so carefully you have to place this cursor, put 1 here. Ensure that within that comma. Okay, see here. Now see here, now selected. Easy. Now again go to new, then again resolve. Resolve. Okay, what is the spelling? I don't. Here in place of blank, please place the cursor. No arrow mark. No right or left arrow don't use. So manually you need to place 2. Okay. Now again check sense check. See here. Then again new pending. Okay. Then here. So in this 3. Okay, ensure this the column moment. Okay, then see here. So we have header and date header, issues, pending, resolved. These are header is different, and these are the data point. Okay, very, very important. I'll tell you why this is. Now, understood till here now?
Yes, sir.
Good. So any questions, anyone please tell me. So we don't need to do the thing. Now what we need to do is put first a manual chart. Okay. So manual chart we'll put. So check manually whether this is okay or not. What are the adjustments you will have to do here only. Okay. So manually put the thing. So chart title, whatever you want, you can all the formats, everything, you'll finish it. Then we need to set up the dynamic now. Carefully observe this. Now what we need to do, select the chart, go to the design, see, select the data here, click, we have the data here. Please carefully see, this is like heading, this is the data. Okay, these are numbers, this is heading. Okay. Whether any of this, go to edit, not add, no, go to edit. When you go to edit, so first, see here, when you go to edit, issues, right? Issues, edit, then this, don't worry, okay? Otherwise, whatever the name you can give, issues are already taken, or you can type issues, there's no problem. Anyway, it's taking there. Now, here, please remember here, okay? So in this, what we need to do, till exclamatory, you delete it. See here, sheet 4, exclamatory is there. So till then, delete it. See here, you do backspace, don't do right, left arrow, what is. Now, this name range for the issues you need to select. Out, you can type or press F3. Keeps cursor here only, F3. When you give the F3, all the name managers will come here. Now we need to issues column, right? Take issue and OK. See here, sheet name, exclamatory, issues. Then OK. Then go to resolved. Then edit. Then here also same thing. Go backspace till exclamatory. Then F3. Go to resolved. Okay. Then okay. Then go to pending. Edit. Go here. Backspace till exclamatory sign. Suppose you doubt, sir, what happens if I delete entire thing? How can you get? No problem. Click anywhere in this Excel. You get, right? Go backspace. No need to worry. But ensure sheet this thing. Instead of typing, go and click anywhere. It will come. Then F3 will go to pending. Right? Now, this is data is over. Now headers. See, date is there, right? So edit. Now here label is not there. So again, go backspace. Okay, F3 and header. See here, there is a reason separately get see date, right? If names are aligned to this, it is very easy to identify. Okay, so okay, then okay, then everything set, give okay. Now see here, 1-3-2021. Last 3 rows, chart is doing. Now, suppose I need only last 3 months. Just change here. Say got 3 months chart. Now I need 12 months, 1 year. See here. So 1 year is not happening. Why? Tell me. Anybody can tell me why is this?
You selected only 6 months, no, sir, in the graph?
No, 12 months is there, na? Based on this, see, 3 months is working, okay? 4 months is working, 5 months is working, 6 months is working, from 7th month is not working.
The selection of the data, it is not there, no, sir. It's only there till 1 August 2021, no, sir.
No, what is the reason? So, whatever this thing, last 6 months you need to take, no, here you need to take, no, last 7 months. So, suppose, I want, suppose, if when you see 3 months, it is taking for the last 3 months, once, so from here, 3 months it's taking, yeah.
Yeah.
So, I need to, from last, this thing, I'm supposed to take like this. See, reason is I put one of the places manually. See in the formula, see C2, 15 is the standard. That is the reason. We need to change here. Got it? Understood?
No, sir.
Okay. I'll copy this formula. Now, this, careful observe this, start point is this, correct? Now, row moment 15. 15, like, manual number. This you need to make it dynamic. So now tell me the logic and formula, whatever the thing. From here, last 3 months means till here you need to take. See, 6 months means I calculated from this, I got 15. Now 3 months means 16, 17, 18. Right? So 18 should change. This should change. Right? How can you make this dynamic? Think through and give me the formula for this. This 15 you need to make dynamic. Then it will work from the last 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, all that. This should not be static. This should be dynamic. Then it should be, you should have the dynamic formula in such a way that the last 3 months should work. Not from the, from here, 3 months. No, it's not like that. From last 3 months. How you can change this so that you can get, select last 3 months. So on the 3 minutes, we can log in back.
So can we use data diff formula, starting date and the end date?
No,
Can give.
no. So how can you recognize based on the date? Like, how will you recognize this 15? See, I'm from the starting. Last 3 months means, suppose like last 6 months. How I calculated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need to start from here. Then so I can start from here means I need to stop this. What is the moment? Row moment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Right? That's how I put 15 here. Thinking last 6 months. But I should take dynamic one. How can I do that? Okay, no problem. So what the logic is, total count minus this is the start point. That's all, destination, correct? Now, example, see here. Suppose how I get 15 here. Suppose last 6 months. What is the count here? What is the count? 20. 20 minus 6. 14. 14 here. So 15th onwards I need to get. That's all. So count minus number of months. But the logic, count is this. Okay, count is this. Minus number of. So we can get the start point. That's all. Now what I need to do here. So count. Share count minus 6. 14. 14 this here, the kind of 14 here now. But I need to start from here, right? So I need to get plus 1. This is the formula we need to incorporate in this thing. But before incorporating this, make sure, because we need to put this in the formula, right? This and this should be fixed before putting the name ranges. So this I need to give here in the place of 15. I need to paste. This is how we need to do. So instead of this, I can go directly here in the 15. Sorry, we cannot do right and left arrow. Carefully, we need to go and change here. Oh, sorry. So select count. That's okay. Then go here. I think I made mistake. Okay, 1 second. This one more comma is come. That's not required. Now let us. Okay, let us check now. So manager. It is not checking. Okay. Count this. Okay. No. Here I need to go here 15. Paste it. Then again here. Paste here. Then again. Now see. So somewhere is I made mistake. So I made mistake. It is 18. Correct. No? Somewhere I made mistake. Where is only primary data? Okay. Account where I made mistake. Correct. 16. From here 16. Just a minute. I need to relook at the formula. This formula is this correct. This first formula is not correct. Okay, so I'll take the second formula. I need to change it. The first thing was self, like, you know, I made a mistake. No problem. I pasted. Pasted. So no row, no column movement. Yes, correct now. Yeah, it come properly now. Earlier, like, no copy pasting formula, count formula is correct. See, now 3 months. Okay, so 6 months. Now see, 12 months. 12 months means what? September to August. Only 2 months. See here, no need to copy paste separately. Okay, say 5 months. It will come automatically. This is what. So the dynamically, we get a thing. Then whatever you want, like, add a data label, everything you can do here. Okay. So it's everything will change automatically. Suppose 3 months data. That's all. Will come 6, 7, 8. Only logic. That's all. So clear, any questions?
Sir, I had one doubt.
Yeah.
Not related to this. My question was, now you have put the numbers here, no, sir. I have something like this in percentages. If you remember,
Yes.
we had
For this, all
degree
right?
percent. Yes, yes.
No,
So we
percentage,
can.
that's,
So that shouldn't be a problem, right, sir?
no, data is the percentage number is the same only.
Okay. And the date is in this row, sir, upside EDFG. The date is there,
Hmm.
and in the date is it is site. So how can we manipulate that, sir? I mean, how can we make the changes there, sir?
See, now I'm not able to, linking with the date, right? Number count. From the start, how many rows? I
Okay.
know where I referred the date. Just to,
Okay. Right, right. I got that, sir.
yes.
So this formula would work. I mean, there would be nothing like challenging, right, sir? If we
Yes,
can make use of this
definitely.
report for
Yes,
NSA.
yes. Yeah. Only one
Okay.
thing is,
Yes.
date is
Yes, sir.
correct. Date is number, right?
Yes.
Do you agree? Do you all agree? This is, the date is number.
Yes, sir.
Now, suppose this, if you have the text, if you have the text, count formula it will not work. The count A will work. That's a
Okay.
very important, every formula. Count
Okay, sir.
of numbers. Suppose we have the text here, and the count formula it will not work. And the text is there, count formula it will not work. Number means